Panibagong trip, panibagong araw, panibagong may ginagawa na naman tayo ngayon. May isang kaibigan ako, J1 din siya, Colombian. So simula ko Monday, Tuesday, Thursday may nakilala ko na lalaki, si Justin. Houseman yung position niya dito. Yung ginagawa niya lang, papasok sa isang room, may bibigay lang sa kanya na list of rooms para mag-stripping. Yung papasok ng room, tapos kunin yung mga pillowcases, tatanggalin yon. Yung mga beddings na gamit na, kukunin yon, sila tagakuha. Tapos yung mga housekeeping, sila naman tagalagay ulit ng mga beddings na bago. Tapos linis sa room, ganon. Then pag kinabukasan, yun dumating na si babae from Colombia. Tapos tinanong ko siya, anong position mo? Sabi niya, housekeeper. Sabi ko, patay, bukas malalaman ko to. Bukas nagtrabaho agad siya. Tapos nagsabi agad siya na parang hirap ng trabaho. Second day, kinaya niya. Third day, parang hindi na. Parang sinabi niya na, what if sabihan ko din yung manager na ganito-ganito? Yung mag-change siya ng position. Tapos sabi ko, sige, sabihan mo lang. Sinabihan siya. You can't do anything for that. If you don't like, then you can just leave right now. Iyak siya, papunta dito sa umiyak siya. Sabi niya, pinapaalis na daw siya ngayon. Hindi madali yung trabaho namin dito. Kaya tiis-tiis na lang kami. Siguro culture shock kami. Siyempre, baguhan lang din kami sa trabaho na ganyan, housekeeping. Ayun, so ako, hindi na muna tayo aalis dito. Siguro, sasanayin muna natin yung sarili natin na masanay sa ganyang bagay. Ang room dito, siguro nasa 300, 400 a month. Ganon. Yung housing natin dito, yung room natin, ito, mura lang to, $1. Kaysa sa kanila, yung mga kasama ko na J1, naghahanap pa sila ng room ngayon. As what I expected. Yung mga kasama ko dito, mga bata pa, J1, kagaya sa amin, yung mga taga-ibang bansa din na gustong magpunta dito. Kasi ayun yung sinabi sa agency namin eh. Ayun pala, pagkadating ko dito, yung mga kasama ko dito matatanda na mga Mexican. Yung ginagawa ko dito para maibsan yung lungkot ko, pagkatapos ko magtrabaho, pumunta agad ako sa room ko dahil ako lang naman mag-isa. Ayun, so naghahanap ako ng sino matawagan ko kasi gabi na naman na dito tapos umaga dyan. So ay naghahanap ako ng sino matawagan ko sa hirap ng buhay dito na parang ang lungkot ng buhay namin dito. Ayan, so ngayon nasa labas muna siya, may binili siya sa grocery store. Yung mga gamit niya dito naka-arrange na. Ayan. Ito, ayan mga gamit niya. Aalis na yung kasama ko. Wala na akong makausap dito. Kasi nga galing sa trabaho. Pagkatapos namin magtrabaho, siya lagi nagsasabi, "Oh, how was your day? How was your work?" Ayun, sa kanya ako lagi binubuhos yung mga gusto kong sabihin na ganito kahirap. Ayun, yung parang hindi ko kaya. So, ayun na nga guys, papakilala ko siya sa inyo. Siya si Daniela. Siya na magpakilala. Daniela, can you come here? Ayan. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
I'm Daniela and I'm from Colombia. I'm his roomie.
Yeah.
And we
Yeah.
are really happy to be here.
She's leaving because, can you say that?
Yeah, I'm leaving because I didn't like the job position. So I'm leaving today.
Yeah. After this one, so when will you heading to?
I'm just going to wait what the agency says to see what those next steps are. I'm just waiting for their answer.
So how about my friends? They are my friends too.
You'll have to give me their phone number so I can kind of text them.
Yesterday you're talking, right?
Yeah, we were talking.
So how was it? Are they gonna be with you?
They said that right now they already have like a housing for them, but they're looking for a new one. But they are not sure for the new one. Right now I'm waiting for their response.
Yeah. So you're communicating with our agency.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sad.
Really.
Yeah.
You're going to do the same very soon, I think.
If my
Or are you going to stay?
If my job will gonna reschedule and I find it so hard, then that's the time that I going to decide whether I'm leaving or not.
Okay, for now you're going to stay.
Yeah, because I have 3 days like in a laundry without seeing those people that we don't like.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm with Justin.
And that
Yeah.
makes like a better experience, right?
Yeah.
Bye, you guys. I'm going
Yeah.
to continue packing. It was really nice to meet you.
Daniela, just call me if you're gonna be leaving.
I'll call you like in 15 minutes actually.
15 minutes.
Yeah, because I'm going to go to buy a car, like a debit card. And then once I come back, I'll ask for the car. So I'll let you know so you can come.
So you're
say
gonna
bye.
be leaving this 15 minutes?
Like in 10 or 15 minutes. Oh, this is our
Yeah.
last hug. Bye, Shelly. I
Okay.
hope you have a great time here if
I
you are
hope
going
you
to
find a
stay.
good job.
Thank you. And you have my number, so if you need any help, just let me know.
Yeah, me too. You too. If you need my help, just call me.
Okay, thank you, Shelly, for all your
My
help.
friends are there also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Philippines are really
Yeah,
nice.
from Colombia.
Woo, come over in the house. Thank you, Shelly, for everything.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Tama.
Okay. Yeah, you have to be strong. Okay. Yeah.
I will see it on the other days.
Yeah. See you pretty soon, I think.
We're praying.
Yeah.
So, keep safe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And just let me know, like, what are your next steps? If you're going to decide to stay here, let me know, like text.
Okay.
Just keep in touch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Call me, right? If you're gonna be leaving, I'm just going to.
Yeah, but let me see if I can ask for an Uber.
Okay. So I'll just back to my work.
Give me a second.
Nandito muna tayo ngayon sa room kasi nga nautusan tayo mag-check ng room. So nandito ayan. Fix ko lang siya konti. Tatawagan natin yung sa front desk kung okay na dito. Ayun, so aalis na siya guys. Tutulungan lang natin siya maglabas ng mga gamit niya. Dito na sa likod yung mga gamit niya. So ayun guys, dito na siya. Can you say bye?
Bye, friends. Hi. So this is, I would say like our goodbye.
Yeah.
I'm changing my job. So see you guys.
Bye.
Are you going to post it in your social media?
Yeah.
That's nice. Let me see. If I took everything, I'll say yes. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, kami.
Do they need you? Because I don't want to be in the lobby. Thank you, Charlie. See you.
Abil. Bye.
Bye, friends. Have fun.
Yeah, no. There's no fun here. Nagpaalam na nga siya. So, babalik na tayo sa trabaho natin. At ngayon, isasama ko kayo ngayon sa pagtatrabaho natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung trabaho natin dito. So, wala naman na masyadong guest ngayon. So, pwede tayo makapag-vlog. Samahan nyo ako guys at papakita ko sa inyo yung trabaho natin dito. Ngayon, wala na si Daniela. Hinatid na natin. So, nautusan tayo gumawa ng room service. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung paglinis namin dito sa room. Dito tayo ngayon sa stock room, kuha tayo ngayon ng gamit na panglinis. Ayan, so walang mga buildings dito, kailangan natin bumaba dun sa pinakababa nila. So bababa na naman tayo galing dito sa 4th floor. Alright, so nandito na yung dalawa. Babalik na naman tayo sa 4th floor guys. Alright, so diretso na tayo sa room. full service?
No, it's an empty room. We need like the
Okay.
Even though we come and go, relationships just last so long. There's gotta be a place they still play on. Here with you and gone tomorrow. I don't believe in days at all. Somewhere in time and space we're not apart. How do I get there and where can I find it? Maybe it's somewhere and not just my mind. It's gotta be out there. I just wanna try. I know I should leave you alone. Just that's a fair place to go. Close your world so you can keep control.
Ayan, so guys, tatapon na natin to. Ito lahat yung mga nasa sa kwarto. Susunod ulit na kwarto yung lilinisan natin ngayon. So good na.